SilverPenguinArtyCrafty. My name's Anna, and if you're into things like home decor, DIY crafty videos, then this is the place to be. Please consider subscribing to my channel and do hit the bell when YouTube asks. Now, what am I bringing you today? Today I'm bringing you DIY 7 of my 12 DIYs of Christmas, and this DIY is candles 3 ways: how to decorate candles, how to dress them up. These can be for your house, around your home, or they can be gifts for you to gift out to friends and family. Completely up to you. Enjoy the video. So the first one I'm going to do is this one. It's on a pillar candle. These are all from B&M. I'm going to use this burlap ribbon. I'm not quite sure which side I'm going to have, whether it's with the white painted font showing or whether to use the other side to give it this sort of flocked effect. And then on the top of that, I'm going to wrap that around the candle. Then on the top of that, I'm going to have this little lovely wooden star or snowflake. And using this twine, it's going to be tied on round just to add a fleck of colour. And that will be that candle. And this candle at the top here, again, these are all pillar candles. I'm going to be using this gorgeous black and red check ribbon. I'm going to wrap that around the candle. And then on the front of it, to add a bit of colour, a bit of pop, I've got this garland pick, which I'm going to cut up and stick on. I've got 2 fir cones, might only use 1, but I've got 2 just in case. And I've got these little berries to stick to, again, just to lift the colour of the garland and the cones and to match the check. And that's candle number 2. And candle number 3, again, this pillar candle. And then to wrap around it, I've got these cinnamon sticks, and I've got these dried orange slices. These were all picked up from Poundland, the cinnamon sticks and the dried orange slices. And I have got, just to make it a bit festive colouring, I've got these lovely metallic reds, and I'm going to use them to tie on both the cinnamon sticks and the orange slices. And the utensils I'm using, I've got my scissors and I've got my glue gun. there you go, that's how to decorate candles for around your home or to gift to family and friends. If you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below. All your likes and comments really do help my channel grow, and I appreciate every single one. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!